going on YouTube? It's your girl Sham and your girl Mora. We back with another video. Today is a different kind of video. Say hi, Mora. Say hi. We here with a different video today. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn the notification bell on so you be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded. Look at what I have right here. Let me turn it around. Look at what I have in here. Could you guys guess what it is? More, do you know what it is?
No, they can't.
No, they don't know what it is. You guys stay tuned. Y'all gonna see what it is. But today I'm doing something different. I'm doing an unboxing video, you guys. Like, I'm so excited. I waited to it just came in the mail today. Like, it was only 1 day shipping, like so fast. You guys, and we've been dying to get one of these, right, girl? Yep, so we're gonna open it right here on video. Sit down, girl, before they see your goods. Girl, you gotta sit down. Open it up, you guys. Oh, see your pen. Oh, you say box? Say box. Yes, good job. Yay. Oh my goodness. Throw this out. Throw that out. Throw that out. You guys, look, it's so much stuff. Before I show you, I know that's not the color. I just hope that ain't the color. I just hope that's not the color. I just hope that's not the color. You guys, as you can see, it's so much stuff that came in with it. That's the color. Alright, you guys, Mora is currently out of the video because she decided to leave and go play with her bubbles, so whatever. But drum roll, please. Didn't I tell y'all? Look, you guys. We got our camera. Yay! We have our camera, you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the previous clip before this. In the other video when I told you guys we was getting our camera. Alright, your girl is getting a camera. And guess what? We got it. So that's how y'all know we so serious about this YouTube life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You guys, y'all better like. I got it. Like, okay, now let me show y'all that they came with more. It came with a little more things, you guys. Like, it came with a little kit. So we have the camera, and it's in black, you guys. We have it's the Canon EOS M200. You know, like our little starter kit. Then we have the bag that come with it. We have what is this bag? HDMI cord. We have this is a hand wrist thing. Oh, babe, this where you can hold it on your wrist. Okay. We have the SD card. It has 64 gigs on there. We have one.
Stop! You grabbing it from the wrong way.
We have our travel charger, babe. Yes, look, babe. It's a travel charger. Like, that's lit. We got a travel charger. We have our lenses. I think this is the filters. We have filters. We have a digital reader writer. This come with everything. Also came in there is a cap keeper. I don't know what that is. I'm thinking it's another battery. This is, I guess, where we keep our batteries at. This the cleaner. And then here's our tripod. Yeah. Yep, a nice tripod. And this is for us, you guys. But I'm gonna open these things and show you guys. Please don't mind more in the background. You guys, I know this is a video of me unboxing, but look at her, you guys. She's cutting up a rug. She's cutting up. I don't know what's her problem. Look at them, y'all. Tell YouTube how you cutting up. Cutting up because of these bubbles, you guys. Like, she's acting crazy. back to the video. Here is the tripod, a nice sturdy one too, babe. Here is our tripod, and it's blue. Okay. Open this. This is it say the starter kit. Oh, you guys, yep. We have like all the cleaning stuff. I don't know what this is. I'm gonna find out. I don't know what this is. If you guys know what all this stuff is, comment down below. I told y'all the HDMI cord, the lenses. You guys, I already showed y'all this. I just want to open my camera, our camera. Open up the bag. Travel when we travel bag or travel vlogs. So, after today, you guys will see us recording on our camera. So, yeah, them vlogs should be coming through. Okay. And this also has its own stuff in there too, guys. Like, this is a good little bundle deal. Look. We have a camera. This is before I put the stuff on there. But here's the camera, you guys. Look. Okay. Okay, here's the lens right there. Here's the lens. I guess on the front of this. 1 second, you guys. You guys, inside of the box we had 2 extra batteries, so that makes a total of 3 batteries. So it makes a total of 3 batteries, you guys. 3 batteries. We have a travel charger. Like, it can't get no better than that. So she was going to spin it. Is this another charger, babe? I think it's another. Yeah, it's a charger. So we have a travel charger. We have the other charger piece and this right here. So, okay, yes. Come through. This girl's for me, yay. So, I'm finna pause this. Alright, you guys, I'm going to turn the camera on. Let's see, hopefully it's charged a little bit. Alright, you guys, it's time to turn it on. Change it better. 1 second. This is okay, you guys, I finally got it on. We finally worked it out. Look. Yes, you guys, we finally have it on. Jeez, this looks crazy right now. But, yeah, this was pretty much the unboxing. So, I just wanted to show you guys our new camera, what we will be using now from now on. So we could give you guys, come on. Say cheese. La la la. Say cheese. So we're going to be giving you guys way more footage than what we usually give you guys. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Again, it's your girl, Sham. It's your girl, more of a dub in the cut right there. We out here. Peace. Girl.